Hi, I'm James Foxall, President and CEO of Tigerpaw Software. I'm here to introduce another video in our series to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. Today's topic is automatic purchase orders. We've been quite busy in the last year building a lot of automation functionality, and we've got a lot of new stuff coming up next year as well. And this is a big piece of that component using our new automation agent. This feature allows you to automatically generate purchase orders for service orders and supply requests. It helps you manage your purchase orders without some human intervention, saving you hours. It also is very helpful in dealing with drop shipped orders, and it can be combined with our feature to automatically send purchase orders to vendors. So very cool stuff, very powerful stuff. And Tony is going to step in here after me to walk you through how it works. So again, our mission at Tigerpaw, software is what we do, but our mission is to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. As always, if there's anything we can do for you, please reach out and enjoy this presentation from Tony.
Thank you, James. Creating purchase orders to order the products you need to complete jobs or fulfill supply requests is a pivotal part of keeping your customers happy and your inventory clean. Tigerpaw has always tried to simplify this with our purchase order wizard, and we've taken that ideology to the next step with our Auto PO functionality. In this video, we will discuss setting up an automatic schedule for purchase order creation, reviewing purchase order needs for an order, and simplifying the purchasing process. To get started, let's head over to Tigerpaw. As with other automation features within Tigerpaw, setting up automatic purchase order creation is performed within the automation agent. I will click Tools from the menu bar, then Options. The Options window appears. From here, I will click Automation Agent, and the Automation Agent window appears. From the feature dropdown, I will select Auto Purchasing. I will ensure this feature is activated by placing a check in the Enable Auto Purchasing field, which activates the Auto Purchasing options. I can then choose some defaults Tigerpaw can use when creating purchase orders automatically. First, I can verify the PO requester. We recommend you choose a house account, so you can easily tell a purchase order was created via automation instead of manually. If I typically order labor from subcontractors, I can check Order Labor Items. This will include labor items on the order when determining what to order. I can tell Tigerpaw to override the inventory purchasing option, standard, average, LIFO, FIFO, and instead use the estimated cost on the order when purchasing. We recommend this be checked. Lastly, I can tell Tigerpaw to mark the POs as ready to send to vendor for the vendors in which we support automatic PO submission. We plan on expanding our supported vendor list over time. I can now set the schedule for when Tigerpaw will look for service orders that need purchase orders created. On the bottom of this window, I will click the Add Schedule icon. This opens the Add Recurring Schedule for Auto Purchasing window. I will name this schedule Daily-PO Check, and then enter Look for and create POs that are ready every morning in the description field. I will set the reoccurring schedule to run daily and select every weekday. In the Start-Stop section, I will keep today's date set and choose 9 a.m. in the Start field. I can specify if I want no end date, if I want it to end after several occurrences, or if I want it to have a specific end date. I will leave this set to no end date and click OK. My schedule will be saved, and the automation is set to begin. With auto purchasing activated, I will now have an additional option on my service orders. Let's head over to a service order so I can show you. I need to assign and validate parts on this order, so I will click Parts and Labor within the Summary section of the service order. This opens the Parts and Labor window. From here, I can go into specific parts to review their detail. Double-clicking on an item opens the Parts and Labor Item Detail window. Here, I can verify the cost and see what my available inventory is. If I do not have available inventory, I can even specify if I want this item drop shipped directly to the customer or not with this checkbox. I can then move to the Purchasing tab to review the default vendor I've selected for this item. I have a default vendor set here and I'm happy with it. If no vendor existed, I could simply click the Assign a Vendor to this item button and choose one. I am free to exit out of the Parts and Labor item detail window. Now I simply need to review these items, filling any special labor and material items I have in stock, and check the Ready to Create Auto PO box here. That's it. I can now move to the next order I need to audit. Per the schedule set up earlier, Tigerpaw will automatically create the PO required for any unfilled items left on the job, saving me the time of running through the PO wizard for every order requiring parts. In this video, you learned how to set up and leverage Tigerpaw's automatic purchase order functionality. Purchasing for orders has never been easier. Check your settings and start using this powerful piece of automation today.